vivo's OriginOS 6 finally goes global with many new features. This new version marks the convergence of the two software branches of Vivo. Vivo used to launch OriginOS only in China and FuntouchOS for the international market. With the new X300 series, will be the first to boot OriginOS 6 out of the box. It shows to be a meaningful evolution from the OriginOS 5. Vivo's marketing material promises OriginOS is redefining the way people experience their digital world. They also underscore that how they essentially re-engineered Android to make the best of use of resources and improve speed and battery life. There is an ultra-core computing which allocates resources to processors in what Vivo insists is a better way than what Android can do, achieving up to 18.5% app starting speed and 10.5% more stable frame rates during scrolling. Moving on to visual improvements, Vivo has put an extra effort into OriginOS animation, making it feel far more responsive with bounciness, blur transitions, and mirroring user gesture velocity. Vivo has made big improvements to smoothness and boasts a touch response rate increase of 41% to 26% better than competition. Either way, they promise as smooth as new experience for flagship phone for the last 5 years. OriginOS 6 brings the way nicer Origin visuals to the international Vivos, which until now were forced to use the pretty dated FunTouch UI. You get touched up settings menu, more contemporary notification shade, control center implementation, a customized font, and no less than 2800 redefined symbols. The control center is the biggest change you can see coming from FuntouchOS. It's one of the most obvious vehicles for the new blur effect and transition. Perhaps the quick setting rim light is a bit too much like the iOS 26 redesign, but you can say the designers arrived there independently. It is all just the way UI trends are headed. Flipcards is on the OriginOS lockscreen feature, which lets you select 4 images from gallery and have the phone alternate between them as you tilt the phone sideways. It's more cooler to look than what people think. Familiar to those who have seen recent OriginOS interaction, but entirely new to former FuntouchOS users, the Origin Island. The dynamic black cloud around the front camera shows status information for clocks, music players, and whatnot, and also transform into an actionable area for you to drop stuff in some copy and paste scenarios. There's an array of AI features like an AI writing tool, AI captions. There's also a document editor with PDF and Word document support and its own set of AI smarts. Vivo's added the circle to search scrolling translation to the ColorOS 6 implementation. Additionally, AI-powered image editing now is better organized and grouped together in a new in-house gallery. There's a new Vivo Connection Center, which is a sort of OriginOS 6 hub for enabling various connectivity options. Link to PC is available with screen mirroring, file transfer, and task handoff. You'll also get one-tap transfer with other Vivos and even iPhones, though you'll have to install Vivo's Easy Share on the other phone. A private space functionality is a part of OriginOS 6. It's usually a separate area where you can keep sensitive data. You also have 2 instances of the same social media app. Battery life is another area where they seem to make improvement. The company's internal testing report a 30 milliampere reduction of background app consumption for most users, up to 90 mAh for the top 1% of heavy users. All things considered, it was great that OriginOS replaces FuntouchOS. OriginOS comes pre-installed on future Vivo phones, Chinese and international. There's a comprehensive release scheduled for updating existing phones starting with early next month with the X Fold 5, X200 series and V60 series, as well as iQOO 13.